Your first steps in financial English. Bank smarter. This first 12-page workbook shows you how to understand and apply thematic vocabulary for banking basics. They illustrate practical application.
Pay off. To repay debt completely. This action eliminates financial obligation. Finally, paid it off. When will individual pay off loan? Take out. To withdraw money. To obtain loan. This action secures funds or credit. Do not take out too much. Did individual take out loan?
Leave your email, and the first workbook is free.